Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 2, Production and Material Management. Okay, it is a continuation part of our lecture number 14. In this lecture, I am going to discuss logistic management. Okay, so different means of transportations, routing and delays and insurance. Okay, first, logistic management. It is the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the effective and efficient flow and storage of goods and services related to information from point of origin to point of consumption for the purpose of conforming to the customer requirements. Okay, that is known as a logistic management. Okay, and also it includes the flow of materials and services in both the manufacturing and the service sectors. Okay, and also it is a related information from point of origin to the point of consumption for the purpose of conforming to the customer requirements. Logistic is not only confined to a manufacturing operations alone, but it also applies to all the enterprises, includes government institutions, hospitals, schools, services, organizations. The logistic is also called by the name of business logistics, and okay, there will be a different name or a different logistic functions will be there: business logistics, logistic management, channel management, material management, and distributions. Next, different means of the transportation, different ways of transportations. Okay, so transportation is a movement of people and goods from one location to another. The different means of transportations are: first one, human powered. Okay, it is the transport of people or goods using the human muscle power in the form of walking, running, swimming through the bicycles. Okay, so next one, animal powered. Animal powered, it is the transport of the people or a goods by using the animal power transport. Example, bull cart. Okay, carrying goods by a horse, etc. Okay, so there will be next year, it is a transport of the people and the goods through a aeroplane or helicopters or aircrafts. Okay, next one, rail. It is the transport of the people and the goods through a passengers express or goods trains. Okay, next one, road. It is the transport of the people or goods through automobiles. This includes buses, trucks, motors, cycles. Next one, water transport is the process of transport of people and goods through a watercraft such as boat, ship. Okay, etc. So other cable pipelines and space sends the goods through a pipe, like gases, liquids. Short distance systems are used for sewage, water, and beer, while long distance networks are used for petroleum and the natural gases. Okay, next one, cable transport means, okay, cable transport, it is a broad mode while where vehicles are pulled by cables. These includes aerial elevators, escalators. Okay, conveyors. Okay, so for that, different these are the different means of the transportation, different ways of transportation. Next one, routing and delay. Okay, so in this, it is the selection of paths or routes over which vehicle is to travel from point of receiving station to the delivery station. Okay, that is known as routing. In a transportation, routing can be defined. Okay, that is selection of paths or routes over which vehicle is travel from the point of receiving station to the delivery station. Okay, so here carrier recognizes the importance of good routing in achieve the acceptable level of a company profit and the customer service. Okay, nowadays the effective and efficient routing is very important due to increased competition and deregulation and number of economic factors like fuel, labor, and equipments. Carrier can get sizable benefits by optimizing their routing by reducing in their frequency of pickups and deliveries can results in a reduced level of transportation. Okay, so hence the cost of transportation is reduced and productivity can be increased. Okay, so improved routing reduces the delay in transportation of goods to the delivery station. When there is a improper routing, the delay in the goods transportation increases, which leads to increased transportation cost and reduced productivity. Okay, so delay in the transportation reduces the customer services and also the increased dissatisfaction, which also increases the material handling and maintenance cost. Okay, so next, insurance, it is necessary for all the company or industries. Okay, insurance should be bought. The logistic activities always requires to buy the insurance over the materials which it stores the transport, which which it stores or transports to have a safety and security against the money tied with the materials. Okay, which companies are managing this is done to claim the damages against the natural disasters that may happen accidentally, leads to loss of goods or materials. There are so many insurance, okay, insurance companies who have come forward to make the insurance by taking the cost related premium by from the transportation companies. Okay, so insurance is necessary to protect or provide the security against the money tied with the materials. Okay, in this session we have discussed logistic management, different means of transportations. Okay, human powered, human powered, rail, air, road, okay, water and other cable pipelines and the space. Okay, this one we studied, and also routing and delay. Okay, routing and delay, and finally we studied about insurances. Okay, thank you.